Hey everyone, today we're making a delicious dish from Afghanistan known as Bolani. It's basically a flatbread stuffed with some spicy potato and green onion filling and can be a great vegan friendly option for an appetizer or even entree. Let's go. Let's begin by making the dough. To a bowl, add some refined flour, salt, sugar, yeast, oil and mix well. Then add some warm water and mix with a fork until it comes together. Then knead for about 5 or 6 minutes until you have a soft dough. Cover and let it rest for 30 to 40 minutes. You're just looking to relax the dough and doesn't matter if it doubles in volume or not. Meanwhile, let's make the filling. In a bowl, add some mashed potatoes, finely chopped green chili, salt, coriander and cumin powder, turmeric powder, ground black peppercorn, green onions and cilantro. Mix well and adjust for seasonings if required. And that's your Bolani filling ready to be stuffed. Now divide the dough into 3 to 4 equal portions. Lightly flour your work surface and add a ball of dough. Gently roll into a thin round disc. Traditionally, the dough is rolled so thin that you can almost see the filling. But honestly, just do whatever is most comfortable for you. Add some of the filling to one half of the disc and spread evenly. Now cover with the other half, seal the edges tightly and flatten to get rid of any air bubbles. Now let's fry it up. Add to a griddle with 1 or 2 teaspoons of oil and cook on medium heat for 5 to 6 minutes on both sides or until you have a golden brown crust. Remove onto a cutting board and cut into triangles. I obviously didn't do a great job, but it's cool. Traditionally, Bolani is served with a coriander mint chutney, but I've also found that it tastes great with any kind of sauce or condiment. The texture is brilliant. Crispy crust, spongy middles and spicy insides. I hope you give this a try. The written recipe is on foodomania.com. Enjoy!